Hey Joy Bugs, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified every single time I post. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to my chronicles. I just came up 2 flights of stairs. Bitch, I'm out of breath. Okay. I'm just gonna give y'all a little vloggy vlog today. You know, the vibes. Okay. So right now, I'm just getting this bedding so that I could do this laundry really quick. And then I'm going to probably cook a little breakfast because I didn't eat nothing today. And I need to put something on my stomach. Because today is going to be a lit day. Today I'm going to be drinking. Today is December 2nd, I believe. What is it? 23 more days until Christmas. You know, the vibes. You got to be lit all December, okay? But as y'all know, I just turned 21. So, you know, I got to go above and beyond. Because especially when it's the weekend. Because it's like, it's turn up time, okay? It's get lit time. Get litty like a titty. Okay, but yeah. So I'm just getting these. Ooh, I'm just taking these pillowcases off. This is not my laundry that I'm doing right now. I'm doing my mom's laundry. Well, I'm not doing her laundry. I'm just washing her bedding. But y'all, let me try to set y'all up right here so it's like better lighting. Y'all. And y'all, I literally just woke up probably like an hour ago. I haven't done my hair or anything, so sorry if I look like a crackhead. Sorry. Okay. Bro, did y'all hear that new Coil Ray song, Players? That's my shit right now. That's all I keep thinking about in my head. I need to start again. Oh, this lighting look good though. Okay, period. That's what I be talking about. Okay, now for real. Let me get this. Wrap it up like a burrito. And let's go put it in the laundry. Don't ask me like all the temps and shit I'm putting it on because I don't know what the fuck. I just be. You know, like how you supposed to separate the darks from the lights and shit like that? I don't always do that. But we're not going to talk about that. My clothes never get ruined, though. So, I got to be doing something right. Whew. Going down these stairs again. Oh, I have to watch this on cold, actually.